Hey guys, it's Daniel, the co-founder of NoRamp, and just wanted to say a few things about Orange DAO. Being a serial founder, at first thought why would I join an accelerator? Why do I need this? I've built companies before, I've scaled companies. Why do I need to give up such a large percentage of the company and do this kind of curriculum for startups? But after having gone through the program and with this being my first venture-backed startup, I learned how much nuance there really is to raising venture capital. It's not just A plus B equals C. There's so much nuance and so many little things that you learn along the way, how to communicate with these investors. I could go on. There's a list of 100 things that I could say that I've learned just in this 12 weeks. But so that was a huge thing for us, I think, is just having some sort of guidelines with which to approach the markets, preparing for a raise and how to kind of build the heat heading into a round. And the biggest thing of as human beings, we're pack animals, and the startup journey can be so lonely. You're in it by yourself. Maybe you have a co-founder, but you guys feel like it's just you two versus the world. But at Orange DAO, you literally have some of the best founders in the entire space at your disposal, ready to do whatever it takes to make your company succeed. And just knowing that alone gives you so much confidence. You head into business development conversations, you head into conversations with investors, and knowing that Don Ho has your back and is willing to fight for you and represent you, that means the world. That really gives you the firepower you need to enter the markets and to stay in the markets. So for that, we're forever grateful.